Hello my friends, Dr. Mandell here. If you're over 60, listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you could literally turn back the clock on muscle loss. Every year after 60, we lose about 1–2% of muscle mass naturally. That might not sound like much, but over time it's what causes weakness, poor balance, slow recovery, and that frail feeling so many people start to notice. But the good news is you can reverse it. They say aging is inevitable, but weakness doesn't have to be. After 60, something begins to change deep inside our bodies. Every single year, we lose about 1–2% of our lean muscle mass, not because we stop moving, but because our cells stop listening. The signals that once told our muscles to grow, to repair, to rebuild begin to fade. You start to notice it when you climb the stairs, when you carry the groceries, when you wake up feeling like your strength has quietly left in the night. Scientists call it sarcopenia, the silent thief of muscle. And it's one of the biggest reasons older adults lose independence, balance, and vitality. But what if the solution isn't a pill or a supplement, but something you can find right in your refrigerator? Greek yogurt. It looks simple, but inside this creamy, tangy food is a biological powerhouse designed to fight back against muscle loss. One serving, just a single cup, delivers more high-quality protein than 3 whole eggs. But what makes it truly extraordinary isn't just the protein count, it's what kind of protein it carries. Greek yogurt is loaded with leucine, one of the 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. Leucine acts like a spark plug for your muscle engine. Without it, your body can't flip the muscle-building switch known as mTOR, the key cellular pathway that tells your muscles to start rebuilding after every meal. After age 60, that switch becomes stubborn. It takes a louder signal to wake it up. Regular foods, toast, oatmeal, sugary cereal, simply don't provide the amino acid punch to trigger it, but a cup of Greek yogurt does. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that older adults who consume leucine-rich proteins with breakfast experience up to 40% more muscle protein synthesis compared to those who skip it. That means more strength, more mobility, and faster recovery without even stepping foot in a gym. Think about that. A spoonful of yogurt can literally tell your cells to reverse aging at the muscular level, and it happens quietly day after day, meal after meal. The protein in Greek yogurt digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids that bathe your muscles for hours. This constant flow keeps muscle tissue in a rebuilding state rather than a wasting one. There's also something beautifully balanced about this food. It contains calcium and vitamin D for bone strength, magnesium for nerve and muscle function, and probiotics that keep your gut microbiome thriving. And here's what most people don't realize: gut bacteria play a direct role in how well your body absorbs protein. A healthy gut helps deliver those amino acids exactly where they're needed to your muscles. Researchers at the University of Toronto discovered that seniors who added probiotic-rich dairy to their breakfast improved both muscle quality and digestive efficiency within just 12 weeks. That's not theory, that's real measurable change. When your digestion improves, your body can finally use the protein you give it. Greek yogurt doesn't just feed your muscles, it repairs your gut, sharpens your mind, and fuels your day. But let's make this personal. Imagine 2 people, both 65 years old. One starts the day with a slice of toast and coffee. The other starts with a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with a few walnuts and blueberries. In just 3 months, their bodies will look and feel very different. The one who chose yogurt will have stronger legs, better balance, higher energy, and even a faster metabolism. Because every time they took a bite, they were telling their muscles to grow, not fade. And here's the most fascinating part. Greek yogurt contains casein, a slow-digesting protein, and a fast-digesting one. Together, they create the perfect timing mechanism for muscle recovery. We starts rebuilding muscle almost instantly, while casein keeps feeding it for hours. This unique combination keeps your muscles nourished long after breakfast, preventing that late morning energy crash so many older adults experience. It's like having 2 gears working in harmony, one for power, one for endurance. That's why athletes have used Greek yogurt for years to rebuild after training. But it's not just for athletes anymore. It's for anyone who wants to keep their strength, independence, and vitality alive beyond 60. Now let's talk about what happens when you don't get enough quality protein. The body doesn't just lose muscle, it loses protection. Muscles are your metabolic guardians. They help regulate blood sugar, support posture, and protect your joints. When they shrink, you burn fewer calories, gain fat faster, and become more vulnerable to falls and fractures. That's why sarcopenia is one of the strongest predictors of early mortality. But it's preventable, and it can start with one simple breakfast change. In a 2020 study from a master university, scientists found that older adults who consume 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, the amount found in a serving of Greek yogurt with nuts, not only maintained their muscle mass, but actually gained lean tissue. Even without exercise, that's the power of food working with your biology, not against it. When you open that cup of Greek yogurt tomorrow morning, think of it as more than breakfast. Think of it as therapy for your cells. Each spoonful delivers a message: rebuild. repair, renew. You're giving your body permission to grow stronger again. If you want to take it further, add a handful of chia seeds or almonds. The omega-3s and healthy fats slow digestion, giving you lasting energy. Add berries for antioxidants. They fight inflammation, another major enemy of muscle health. This isn't just eating, it's strategic nourishment. And please, avoid the flavored yogurts loaded with sugar. Excess sugar spikes insulin, which blocks fat burning and stores calories as belly fat, exactly what you don't need when you're trying to rebuild muscle. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Let the natural creaminess and toppings give it life. Some people say, I'm too old to build muscle. The science says otherwise. Muscle responds to nutrition at any age. You can be 75 and still grow stronger if you give your body the right signals. Greek yogurt is that signal. It's affordable, easy to digest, and scientifically proven to support muscle repair. So tomorrow when the morning sun hits your kitchen, take that spoon and remind yourself, you are not powerless against time. Every bite of Greek yogurt is a vote for strength, for balance, for vitality. It's a reminder that health isn't lost with age, it's built by choice. You can choose weakness or you can choose renewal. And sometimes that choice begins with something as simple as what you put on your breakfast table. Your body is still listening. Give it the right message, give it the power to rebuild. Because after 60, strength isn't just physical. It's the quiet decision to keep fighting for the life you love. Inside every cell of your body, there's a silent switch. It doesn't light up. It doesn't make a sound. But when it's turned on, it changes everything. That switch is called mTOR, the mechanistic target of rapamycin, the master controller of muscle growth and cellular renewal. When you were young, that switch flipped on easily. You could skip a meal, eat anything, and still feel strong. But after 60, the signal grows weaker. The same meal that once nourished you barely wakes your cells anymore. Scientists call it anabolic resistance, your body's fading ability to turn food into muscle. And this is where the story of aging begins. But the story doesn't have to end there, because new research reveals that this powerful switch, mTOR, can still be reactivated. And when it turns back on, your body begins to do something extraordinary. It rebuilds, it regenerates. It remembers what strength feels like. Think of mTOR as the conductor of your body's orchestra. Every note, every cell, every muscle fiber waits for its cue. When mTOR gives the signal, protein synthesis begins, muscle cells start absorbing amino acids, repairing tears, and building new fibers stronger than before. But without that signal, the orchestra falls silent. You eat, but you don't grow stronger. You move, but you don't recover. You're feeding your body, but not fueling your strength. Now here's the shocking truth: the mTOR doesn't respond to calories. It responds to quality, specifically to the amino acid leucine. This single molecule, found abundantly in foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, and lean meat, acts like a molecular key. When leucine enters the cell, it tells mTOR it's time to grow. Without it, that message never reaches the muscles. In a landmark study published in the Journal of Gerontology, researchers found that older adults who consumed leucine-rich meals could increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 50% compared to those eating the same amount of total protein but lacking leucine. The difference wasn't quantity, it was signaling. One group's mTOR was asleep, the other's was wide awake. Here's what happens on a microscopic level. Imagine your muscle cell as a house under renovation. The workers are waiting for instructions. mTOR is the foreman who tells them when to start building. Leucine walks in with the blueprint, and suddenly the work begins. Ribosomes, your cell's protein factories, start assembling amino acids into muscle fibers. Enzymes activate. Energy production rises. Within hours, new tissue begins forming. That's how regeneration starts. But as we age, the body becomes resistant to this process. It's not that we can't build muscle, it's that our mTOR switch becomes harder to trigger. It's like trying to start a car with a weak battery. You turn the key, but the engine won't catch. That's why breakfast choices matter so much after 60. A high leucine protein like Greek yogurt or eggs doesn't just feed you. It recharges the battery. It gives your cells enough signal to wake up that muscle building machinery again. Here's something most people don't realize: mTOR isn't only about muscle. It also regulates cell growth, DNA repair, immune defense, and longevity. When activated in balance, it helps your body repair damaged tissues and stay youthful. But when it's inactive for too long, your cells begin to break down faster than they can rebuild. That's why elderly adults who lose muscle mass often experience faster aging across every organ system. The skin sags, the bones weaken, the brain slows. But when mTOR wakes up, when the signal flows again, everything starts coming back online. In 2019, a study from Maastricht University showed that activating mTOR through leucine supplementation improved not just muscle mass, but also cognitive performance in adults over 70. Why? Because the same pathway that grows muscle also fuels mitochondrial activity, the very engines that keep your brain cells alive. The connection between strength and clarity isn't coincidence, it's chemistry. Now you might wonder, if mTOR builds muscle, why not keep it switched on all the time? That's the delicate balance. Continuous activation can cause the body to store excess fat or accelerate aging if not cycled properly. That's why timing and type of protein are critical. You want mTOR to pulse, to rise when you feed your body high-quality proteins, and rest when you fast or sleep. That rhythmic activation trains your body to rebuild efficiently without overload. Researchers call this metabolic harmony. It's like breathing in and out, build and repair. And the simplest way to create that harmony, a breakfast rich in leucine, followed by balanced meals throughout the day. Not constant snacking, not overloading, just precision fueling. Let's make this real. Picture an older man, 72 years old, who feels tired every morning. His doctor tells him his muscle mass has dropped 20% in the last decade, his metabolism has slowed, his energy is gone. Then he learns about mTOR and he changes just one thing. He replaces his morning toast with a bowl of Greek yogurt, a handful of almonds, and a few berries. In 6 weeks, his posture improves. His legs feel stronger. His blood sugar stabilizes. What happened? He didn't just eat better. He turned on his cellular switch. Every spoonful of that breakfast was telling his body, grow again. The leucine entered his bloodstream, mTOR caught the signal, and his cells responded like they did decades ago. That's not a miracle. That's biochemistry working in your favor. And this isn't just theory. NASA has used mTOR activation research to prevent muscle loss in astronauts living in zero gravity. When you understand that, you realize this same science can help you preserve strength right here on Earth. Here's the final truth: muscle loss isn't a symptom of aging, it's a symptom of neglect. Your body hasn't forgotten how to build muscle, it's simply waiting for the right trigger. You have that trigger within your reach every single day. You don't need exotic supplements or miracle powders, you need food that speaks the language of your cells. When you feed your body leucine-rich protein, you are whispering to your DNAs, you still remember how to grow. You're reigniting the conversation between your muscles and your mind. You're turning weakness into strength, fatigue into power, and aging into evolution. So the next time you sit down for breakfast, remember, this isn't just another meal. This is a biochemical moment. The moment your body decides whether to grow or decay, to rebuild or to rust. And with the right foods, the right timing, and the right mindset, you can flip that switch and stay strong, vibrant, and alive at any age. Because mTOR isn't just a scientific term. It's your body's way of saying, I can still rebuild. And the day you choose to listen to that message is the day aging stops being your enemy and becomes your greatest teacher. Every morning is a new negotiation between your body and time. You open your eyes and time asks, do you want to move forward or fall behind today? What you do in those first few minutes decides the answer. It's not the gym, not the supplements, not the treadmill that determine your strength after 60. It's the small daily rituals repeated with precision and purpose. Because consistency isn't routine, it's medicine. Your muscles aren't built in the hours you work, they're built in the habits you keep. And science proves it. Researchers from Tufts University followed adults over 60 for 12 years and found things astonishing. Those who consumed a balanced, high-protein breakfast every single day had 40% better muscle retention and nearly half the rate of falls compared to those who skipped it. Not because they exercised more, but because their morning set off a chain reaction: steady blood sugar, active metabolism, awake mTOR, and nourished cells ready to grow. But habits are fragile things. The body listens not to what we say, but to what we repeat. You could eat clean for a week, then drift back into old patterns, and your muscles will remember the inconsistency more than the effort. The key is repetition, so simple you can't fail: one bowl of Greek yogurt, one handful of nuts, one scoop of fruit. It's not glamorous, it's not complicated. Yet inside that simplicity lies molecular precision. When you take in protein early in the day, you trigger the circadian rhythm of muscle metabolism. Your body works on a 24-hour clock. Morning protein sets the tone for how efficiently you'll build and preserve muscle throughout the day. Miss that signal and the system slows. A study from the University of Birmingham revealed that older adults who distributed protein evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner built 25% more muscle than those who loaded it all at night. The takeaway is clear: small doses, steady timing, unstoppable progress. Imagine it as lighting a slow, steady fire instead of one big explosion. That morning yogurt isn't just fuel, it's a spark that keeps your metabolic flame alive until sunset. Add a short walk, maybe 10 minutes after breakfast, and you amplify that effect. Movement sends oxygen to your tissues, insulin sensitivity improves, and your body directs those amino acids straight into muscle repair. It's not intensity that keeps you strong, it's rhythm. And the rhythm doesn't stop at food. Sleep, hydration, and mental calm all play their part. Studies from the Mayo Clinic show that people over 60 who sleep less than 6 hours a night lose muscle at nearly twice the rate of those who sleep 7 to 8. Why? Because growth hormone, the silent partner of mTOR, is released only during deep sleep. You could eat perfectly, but without rest, your cells never rebuild. Strength is not forged in motion, it's sealed in recovery. Let's look at hydration. Water isn't just for thirst, it's the highway of nutrition. Every amino acid, every electrolyte, every spark of energy travels through it. Dehydration as little as 2% can reduce physical performance by up to 20%, and most adults don't even feel thirsty until they're already dehydrated. So, Before that first spoonful of Greek yogurt, drink a full glass of water. You're not only waking your mind, you're lubricating the very machinery of muscle growth. Now, let's speak of mindset. The most powerful supplement on earth isn't in a bottle, it's belief repeated daily. When researchers at Stanford studied aging perceptions, they found that seniors who believed strength could be regained lived an average of 7.5 years, longer than those who accepted decline as inevitable. Hope isn't sentimental, it's biological. Optimism changes cortisol levels, lowers inflammation, and enhances cellular repair. Every positive thought you feed yourself sends real, measurable signals through your nervous system that say, keep building. The beauty of all this is that none of it requires perfection. You don't need to count every gram of protein or memorize scientific names. You just need to care enough to show up for yourself each morning. When you make Greek yogurt a ritual instead of an experiment, it stops being food and starts being a declaration. I choose strength. And strength pays interest in every corner of life. You notice it when you stand up from a chair without bracing yourself, when your grandchild runs toward you and you lift them effortlessly, when you climb stairs and feel steady instead of fragile. Those aren't small victories, they're proof that your choices are rewriting your biology. Muscles are storytellers. They remember trauma, neglect, resilience, and care. Feed them right, move them daily, rest them deeply, and they'll tell a new story, one of vitality instead of decay. Even your bones listen. The mechanical pull of muscle stimulates bone density through a process called mechanotransduction. That means every time your muscles contract with strength, your bones become stronger too. You're literally rebuilding your body from the inside out. The shocking truth is that most people don't fail from lack of knowledge, they fail from lack of consistency. They chase the next superfood, the next routine, the next magic answer, forgetting that the body rewards simplicity done faithfully. A cup of yogurt, a short walk, a full night's sleep, that's the triad that changes everything. When scientists talk about health span instead of lifespan, this is what they mean: years lived with energy, mobility, and independence. The difference between a long life and a strong life lies in the mornings you choose discipline over convenience, because discipline, repeated kindly, becomes freedom. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for that Greek yogurt, don't think of it as breakfast. Think of it as a quiet act of rebellion against time. Each spoonful says, I am not done. Add your walnuts, your chia seeds, your berries, not for taste, though they're delicious, but because each adds a layer of defense: omega-3s for your heart, antioxidants for your cells, fiber for your gut. Layer by layer, bite by bite, you're building armor from the inside. You'll start to feel it sooner than you expect. The morning stiffness fades. The afternoon slump softens. Your balance returns. The mirror reflects not youth, but vitality, because you're no longer feeding age, you're feeding life. And one day, maybe months from now, you'll pick up a bag, open a door, climb a hill, and realize you didn't think twice about it. That's not luck. That's biology responding to dedication. Longevity isn't found in laboratories or luxury. It's found in the kitchen, in the quiet decision to care, in the moments when no one's watching, and you still choose what's right for your body. Every day you practice this, you make it easier for your future self to move, breathe, and live fully. So when time asks its question tomorrow morning, do you want to move forward or fall behind? Answer with a spoon, a smile, and a simple, powerful choice. Because strength isn't built in a single day, it's built in the 1,000 mornings you decide to begin again.